Hi, everyone. I'm Christopher Thornycroft with Redwood Logistics, and welcome to the Redwood Rundown for the week of June 27th, 2022. Coming into this end of the quarter, there's a lot of questions around the freight market. What usually happens with the end of the quarter is that we see a lot of volume pressure build, and because of that, we start to see capacity fall on off. And then going into the July 4th holiday, we see capacity drop off even further. Well, last week on this call, we said that we were going to start to see volumes build, which they did. And we also said that we were going to that we weren't going to see a ton of movement on the rate side. We've seen spot rates come down slightly. We have seen some nice volume pushes that have taken place in certain markets. We are not out of the woods yet. There's going to be more volume pushes likely that happen up through the end of the quarter. We have all sorts of information on the freight market that goes out. If there's not a dramatic need to get product out, especially with these very high inventory levels, then probably not a lot of just-in-time orders that are going to go out for the July 4th weekend. On top of which, we think that there's going to be a decent amount of capacity that's available in that spot market. But there should be a good amount of capacity as owner-operators continue to chase the miles that they need in order to make these truck payments. We just want to take a look at the DAT load-to-truck ratio. That did rise up to 3.74 to 1, so a little before end-of-quarter market pressure that's building out there. We think overall, you'll see a lot of rate stability and a little bit more volume. There will be some late in the day capacity concerns that you run into. The weekend could have definitely some capacity concerns that you run on into. But for the most part, getting out ahead of your freight, pre-booking your freight, making sure that you've got your regular runs in order, that should be fairly stable. And you should ride through this holiday knowing that you are getting to your own personal beverage season. That's all we have for this week. Thank you very much. Take care. Talk to you soon.